Ever felt overwhelmed trying to build the perfect gym routine? You search for hours, go through blogs, videos, and still feel unsure if it all fits your goal? Well, what if I told you it can be done in under a minute with no research, no planning, just using ChatGPT? Let me show you how fast and easy it is to create a basketball-focused weekly workout plan with different versions, including one that uses only dumbbells. Here's the prompt I'm giving ChatGPT. Can you create me a gym workout routine for a week? Rest days should be on Thursday and another of your choice. Workouts should focus on areas including lower and upper body, core, push, pull, isometrics, plyometrics, etc. The workout should be focused on a body suited for basketball. Please create two versions. The first should only include dumbbell exercises and the second can be normal. See, my prompt is in simple, plain English. I'm just providing ChatGPT my requirements for my workout plan, not just that. I'm also asking ChatGPT to give me two versions, one version I can follow at home with just dumbbells and second version for gym. This would normally take hours, if not days of research, need to go through overwhelming information, and yet it is not easy to come with simple plan. You can also notice I ask ChatGPT to plan with Thursday as my rest day and see I want another rest day but did not specify a particular day of the week. You will see how ChatGPT understands what I am asking and incorporates into the plan. As you can see, ChatGPT is creating a full weekly plan, split by muscle groups, types of movement, and even including rest days. Here's version 1, all with dumbbells, perfect if you're training at home or in a simple gym setup. This is the power of knowing how to ask the right question. ChatGPT didn't just save me hours, it gave me a personalized plan that matches my goals in seconds. If you are into fitness, sports, productivity, or just want to save time in daily tasks, learning how to use prompts like this is a game changer. And here's version 2, a regular gym version using a mix of equipment for more variety and intensity. If you've used ChatGPT for your workouts or anything else in your day-to-day life, drop a comment below. Let me know what you'd like to see next. Maybe meal plans, productivity hacks, or learning routines. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs a smarter way to train.